In this next lesson, we're going to talk about how to make a hem. There are going to be times when you're going to need a hem, whether for bottom of your pants or drapery. You want a nice finished edge on the back side of the fabric. I like to do a double hem, so I've turned my fabric 1.5 inches so that my raw edge is in that fold. So it's a double hem. So it's 1.5 inches of fabric in the middle and 1.5 inches of fabric on the outside. You can make your hems whatever size you need for your project. Since we're doing a hem and not a seam allowance, we are going to want to stitch very close to this folded top edge of the hem. You're going to kind of have to eyeball it on your machine. What I'm going to do is try to line up this folded edge with this opening, the left side of the opening. So I'm just going to run along as I sew my hem, trying to keep my fabric right there. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can always use your magnet where you need it to be, and then the fabric will follow right along and make the line of stitching where you need it. So to sew our hem, we've got our fabric under our presser foot. We're going to put our needle down and do another back stitch. So we're going to go forward. I'm going to take my first pin out. Go forward, just a few stitches, reverse, and then forward again. Again, you want to use your hands to kind of guide your fabric as you're going along. And take the pins out as you go too. On the other end of your fabric, you're going to want to do a back stitch also. So I'm going to go forward again a couple of stitches and reverse and forward. I'm going to raise my needle to the highest position and making sure that our take-up lever is in the highest position. Lift up the presser foot and pull the fabric away and clip our threads. Then you're going to want to go back to your beginning and clip those threads also. There's the back side of your hem, and then here's the front side.